Hi all. Today we will read about the qualities of Mars from BPHS. Let us read the shloka. क्रूरो रक्तेक्षणो भौमः चपलो दारमूर्तिकः पित्तप्रकृतिकः क्रोधी कृष्यमध्य तनुः द्विजा. Krura. Mars has a rough edge. Can be harsh. Raktekshana. This word can be interpreted in multiple ways. The literal translation is that Mars is seeing red. This means he can be very angry, assertive, strong minded, with specific ideas of right and wrong. This is also symbolic of seeing problems to fix, especially those which need instant solution and high energy. Mars helps ones to handle emergencies also. Bhauma. Mars is also known as Bhauma, made of the earth. This has multiple symbolic meanings. Mars gives practical intelligence. It is also associated with houses, real estate, and the places one stays in. Mars loves to work with the earth and build things. It is also associated with metals and gems, mining and metallurgy. Chapalaha. This word again has multiple meanings. Mars is quick in action. He also has the ability to quickly think and understand things quickly. On the other hand, he can be unsteady and fickle, can even be inconsiderate and rash. Udar Murtikaha. Again, Maharishi Parashar says a lot in couple of words. Mars is generous, open to new ideas, and has a high vision and lofty goals. He is honest, sincere, and upright, but he can also be arrogant and aloof. Pitta Prakratikaha. Mars has a Pitta Prakriti. This gives a sharp intellect and makes one driven and ambitious. It can also bring heat issues. This can also make one angry and resentful. Krasha Madhya Tanu. He is thin waisted. This is symbolic of him being athletic and fit. This completes this shloka. What differences do you notice in the qualities of Mars and Sun? Do let me know in the comments. Do subscribe to get notified about future videos. See you in the video on Mercury.